When it comes to email marketing software, two names often come up: GetResponse and Moosend. But which one is more feature-packed and ultimately the best choice for your business? Let's break it down. First off, both GetResponse and Moosend are solid choices for email marketing, but they come with different strengths that might sway your decision. The key thing to keep in mind as we go through this comparison is what your specific needs are. Are you looking for ease of use, advanced automation, or robust analytics? Let's dive into how both software measure up in these areas. Next thing, GetResponse is known for its all-in-one marketing platform, offering more than just email marketing. It includes features like landing page creation, webinars, and CRM. So, if you're looking for a platform that goes beyond email, GetResponse could be an appealing option. However, if you're looking for simplicity and just need email marketing without the extra fluff, GetResponse might feel a bit bloated for your needs. In terms of ease of use, it can be overwhelming for beginners. Now, let's talk about Moosend. Moosend is streamlined, focusing heavily on email marketing. It's straightforward, easy to use, and you get access to automation tools, segmentation, and analytics. It's great for smaller businesses or those who just want to focus on building their email lists and sending campaigns. But here's the kicker: while it's user-friendly, it doesn't quite offer the same range of advanced features as GetResponse. If you're looking for more than just emails, say landing pages or advanced webinars, you'll have to look elsewhere. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. Moosend tends to be more affordable, which is a huge plus if you're running a smaller operation. You can get started for a lot less, and if you're just focused on email campaigns, Moosend gives you the core features without the extra cost. On the other hand, GetResponse offers more features, but at a higher price point. If you want those extras like webinars, the price could quickly become a factor to reconsider. Now, let's look at email templates and automation. GetResponse offers a large variety of professionally designed email templates, which makes it easier to get started and create polished emails without needing design skills. Moosend also offers templates but has fewer options, which might be limiting if you need more variety. When it comes to automation, GetResponse offers more advanced workflows and triggers, giving you the flexibility to create complex email sequences. Moosend, while not lacking in automation, offers a simpler setup. Lastly, both platforms provide robust analytics to track the performance of your campaigns. But GetResponse's analytics dashboard is a bit more sophisticated, giving you a deeper dive into your email marketing performance. Moosend's reporting is solid, but it may not offer the same level of detail as GetResponse. So, here's the deal: both GetResponse and Moosend are good, and both have their merits. But after trying both myself, I found that GetResponse is more feature-packed overall, especially if you're after more than just email marketing. However, if your focus is purely on emails and you're working with a tighter budget, Moosend may be the better choice. That said, if you want the best of both worlds, advanced features with a great price tag and superior email marketing capabilities, there's a better alternative that I personally recommend. If you're looking for a platform that truly checks all the boxes, then you should take advantage of the free trial available through the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers.